Hey everyone! If you love crochet projects that are both beautiful and practical, you're going to love today's pattern. These are the Nori nesting baskets, a modern crochet basket set that's perfect for stylish home organization. The Nori nesting baskets pattern includes 3 sizes: small, medium, and large, designed to nest neatly together or stand alone as statement storage pieces. They're worked in the round and feature bold geometric designs created using tapestry crochet techniques, giving them a clean, modern look with lots of texture. These baskets are made with Lion Brand Re-Spun Thick and Quick, a super bulky, eco-friendly yarn made from recycled polyester. That means your baskets aren't just sturdy, they're sustainable too. You'll use a US size 5.5 crochet hook, along with a tapestry needle, scissors, and a tape measure. This pattern is rated level 3, intermediate, making it a great project if you're comfortable with single crochet and ready to explore tapestry colorwork. The gauge is 7 rounds of single crochet equals a 4-inch diameter circle, which helps create those structured sides. Once finished, the baskets measure approximately 6.75 inches, 8.5 inches, and 11.75 inches wide. Each basket stands about 7.25 inches tall. They're perfect for organizing yarn, craft supplies, bathroom essentials, shelves, or even entryway storage. You can grab this pattern as a convenient crochet kit, which includes all the yarn you need, or you can download the pattern separately if you already have supplies on hand. Both options are linked below for easy access. You can grab this pattern as a convenient crochet kit, which includes all the yarn you need, or you can download the pattern separately if you already have supplies on hand. Both options are linked below for easy access. If you love crochet baskets as much as I do, be sure to check out the additional basket patterns linked below for even more home decor inspiration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which color combo you use for your Nori nesting baskets. Happy crocheting!